How to require the use of Safe Exam Browser on your LMS Quiz. First, create a learning activity in Click Quiz. Then fill in the name and description of the quiz. On the right part of your screen, click Safe Exam Browser to expand. Click on the Require the Use of Safe Exam Browser dropdown and choose Yes, Upload My Own Config. You may drag and drop or upload the config.seb file from your PC. Note that config.seb is available upon request on CDE. Once done, you can add timing, restriction, activity completion, etc. Click Save and Display once you are done with your quiz settings. Finally, you can now click the Edit Quiz button to add questions, and you are done. Your students will now be forced to use the SEB and download the configuration if needed. Should you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact the Center for Digital Education on Facebook, email, and WeChat. Thank you and have a great day.